license?
Yeah, I just got it yesterday.
What the fuck are you running around doing this shit for?
I'm bored. I have fucking $1 million. I have nothing else to do, man.
You have $1 million?
Yes. 500,000 of that is
So
from metal detecting.
long.
What?
Yeah, I have a savings account with nothing but money for metal detecting. I just...
Do you even care that you're going to jail?
Not really. I mean, I literally gave you a chase, bro. I could have just left.
Okay. I fucking hate this fucking server. Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck it, who cares?
That's so long.